So here's my 131 Brava, the four-door that I've been having here in my garage for a bit. And as you can see, the tires are shot on it. But I'm gonna pull these speed lines off because I may keep these for my 128. I may pull these off and refinish them. And what I'm gonna put on the car while it's in the shop is these 15-inch Panasports that I actually had on the 128, and they were just a little too big for the 128. So I think they may actually look okay on the 131 because it's a slightly bigger car. So I'm going to swap these over to the 131, and then at least I'll have 4 tires that hold air, and I'll be able to move it in and out of the shop, and we'll take a look. So the 131 is back in the shop with the Panasports on it. I cleaned it up just a little bit, but it's amazing what a set of wheels can do for a car. And I think it looks pretty cool, but it's really nice that it is moving now. I could push it around the shop, but now this gets me to the point where I want to make it so I don't have to push it and it could get around in its own power. So I may do something really quick to address that before getting back to my Fiat 128 project car. So if you like this, click like below, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned.